I'm about to show you a pretty cool trick that can double, or in my case, even 10x the amount of views that I'm getting on social media. And it's a little something known as fame jacking in your videos. Now, the idea of fame jacking is you can just take something that already is famous or already is viral and basically repurpose that into the type of video that you're doing. So for example, these are normal videos that I post that don't use any fame jacking, and often they get a couple thousand to maybe like 10,000 or 20,000 views like this. But if I scroll down, you can see when I start a video with a reaction to something absolutely crazy and absolutely viral, a video like this can get like 500,000 views. And this is honestly the same thing that I would have already recorded, except I just start with an already viral video. And then after the viral video plays, I then get into my explanation of what I was going to talk about. So in this video, I was going to talk about juggling a lot of numbers. So instead of just doing a talking video where I'm talking about juggling a lot of numbers, I instead start with the reaction to something that's already viral. And since that already has gotten a lot of views, it'll then get a lot of views again. And then I give my explanation. And this works for me, and it works for a lot of other people on social media too. Like for example, there's this guy named Train Bloom, also goes by Tony on Instagram, and almost all of his videos, he starts with a reaction to another video that's happening that's already viral, and then he gives his explanation after. So like this video is about should you do weights before or after cardio, but he's starting it by reacting to a viral video that's already about this subject to basically fame jack, garner views, and then go into his explanation. And it's basically him talking about the same thing, but that slight difference in structure changes how many views it can get drastically. So that is an absolutely top tier tip on social media. I highly recommend doing this. And it's been something that has literally taken my views from like thousands to tens of thousands on average to probably 50 to 100,000 views on average when I do a reaction video like this one, or this one. My videos just do really well when I do reaction style content. So it's pretty crazy. With that being said, our mission is to help you guys grow and monetize on social media. So if this tip maybe is gonna help you out with that, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one, and peace.